Hi, I'm Casey with Casey Quinn Cleaning. I am going to show you how to get grape soda out of a white carpet using just vinegar and water. We'll have to let it soak for a couple of minutes here. Okay, so now we're going to squirt vinegar and water on the carpet. Now, it'll probably take a few times doing it, but it will come out. So I sprayed it really good. Let it kind of soak in there a little bit. Okay, let's see how this works here. That's really wet. Whew. Okay, so I scrubbed it with the vinegar and water, and now then I took another dry rag and I'm kind of like going over it to kind of like dry it out and get it's not as wet as it was. So it came out pretty good. It's wet, so it might be a little dark, but came out just fine. I really recommend water and vinegar for a lot of things. You can not only get stains out, but you can, you clean with it, So it's a good product to use.